Hey, listen. Intelligence isn't just about seeing, it's about trusting what you see. As bots get denser, the biggest risks are the ones you can't see. How do you ensure 100% quality when heavy metals components and high-density arrays hide your most critical defects? In AI server applications, high-density AI ASICs are a challenge because heavy metal stiffeners create X-ray shading, and our ViTrox uses ultra-high resolutions, imagings, and advanced 3D reconstructions to see right through them. From detecting head in pillow in fine-pitch solder balls to inspect high-speed backplane connectors, UX1 ensures a seamless transition from validations to volume production. In automotive electronics, reliability is a life or death mission. Our volumetric inspections ensures total connectivity by verifying critical layer-by-layer integrity. Define your own standards with programmable barrel fill threshold from 50%, 75% to 100% inspections levels. To complete the smart manufacturing loop, our V9i utilizes a rotational scoreboard head to detect partially hidden defects and anomalies at precise angle. With auto thresholding, a full inspections recipe is ready in just minutes. Don't let hidden defects compromise your yield. Experience the futures of automated inspections with us at IPC APEX 2026. Your productions deserve results you can trust.